Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-152N-C steel bar production counter with a web page for user interface and control. So what the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to use the counter functions in a steel production facility to count the number of materials in loading and unloading. So how it works is the client powers the unit and then they can operate the counter through our terminal, which could be located in a junction box, and they are our plug and play close contact wires, which can be located on the left side junction box at the bottom on the left side of the enclosure, or they can simply utilize our network web page to manually count or to manually increment or decrement the count via the network. So now I'm going to showcase the functions of this counter and how it is meant to work. So as you can see, it's a network counter that can be operated manually either by the network or through our close contact wires. So as you can see here, these are close contact wires which could be located right here in this junction box on the left side. And you can see on the labels here that they each have a different function. And the way the manual functions operate is through a dry momentary contact between the increment wire or the decrement or the reset wire and the common. So this allows us to allow it to connect to any plug and play device through these wires. So I have the increment and common wires. I am able to increment a count. As you can see, whatever happens on the counter will also display on the web page as well, as you can see. So now I'm going to switch over to the decrement wires. As you can see, it subtracts a count from the counter. And last but not least, we have our reset to 0 wires. And as you can see, that resets the count all the way back to 0. So now I'm over by the keyboard and I'm going to showcase the functions on what you can do with the network web page. So we can add a count by pressing +1. We can also decrement or subtract a count by pressing -1. And we can also reset it back to 0 by clicking on 0. We can also set the desired value manually. So let's just say we want to showcase, let's say 99 parts that we have in shipping. So just type in 99, either hit enter or click on set value. And as you can see, we are now able to display 99 parts that we have in stock or in stores or that we have just unloaded from shipping. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, as you can see, its enclosure is a extruded aluminum IP66 outdoor wet location waterproof that is tough, fingerprint resistant, and is in a black powder coating. Its display size is 15 inches that can be viewed up to a total of 750 feet away. The number of digits that it contains is 2 digits that can count up to a total of 99. Its power type is a junction box with pigtails that is operated at around 120 VAC. For mounting, we have our seat channel mounting that could be mounted on a concrete wall. And lastly, for accessories, we have our network web page IoT expansion card for controlling, viewing, and configuring the counter. And it is connected through an Ethernet connection, which could be located at another junction box on the top right side of the enclosure. And we also have our plug and play close contact wires for manual control. So in other words, the client is able to utilize their own input devices and connect the wires to said input devices of their choosing. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-152N-C steel bar production counter with a web page user interface and control. Thanks for watching.